Good morning to all of you present here. My name is Aseela and I am from class 7. And today I am here in front of you to present my model which is based on respiratory system. So, shall we begin?
Okay.
Respiratory system is a group of organs, or you can say parts of our body, which helps us to breathe. Its main function is to provide oxygen to our body and expel out the carbon dioxide. So let's start from the beginning with the air around us. When we breathe, the air around us goes into our nostrils. Through nostrils, it goes to our nasal cavity. Here the air is warmed and filtered. Then the air moves from nasal cavity to pharynx. Pharynx is a common pathway for both food and air. Like this, I mean that when we inhale air or when we eat food, both goes through the pharynx. Then after the pharynx, there is larynx. The air moves from pharynx to larynx. Larynx is the voice box of our body. It contains vocal cords and it produces sound. Then the larynx connects the pharynx and the trachea. From here, the air goes through the trachea. From here, the trachea is divided into two. These are called bronchi. The bronchi further divides into thousands of bronchioles. Then the bronchioles and in the air-like structure, or you can say balloon-like structure called alveoli. Then crucial change of gases occurs. Crucial change of gases occurs from here. Alveoli, the air goes into the blood. The blood then the oxygenated blood then is sent to the heart. The heart pumps the blood and sent it further to the every part of the body and each cell of the body. In the cell, the respiration occurs. The respiration is the process in which, like when we inhaled air and it went to the heart, it pumped the air and reached it to the cell. In the cell, the glucose, the food is broken down into CO2, means carbon dioxide, and H2O, water, and energy. Here, carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product, so it is then sent back to the heart, and means it is now deoxygenated blood because it contains carbon dioxide. Then the carbon dioxide is expelled out in the same process, in the same way, through alveoli, then bronchioles, then bronchi, and then trachea from larynx, pharynx, nasal cavity, and nose. It then expels out. If we talk about how much we inhale oxygen, when we inhale 21% of oxygen and 0.4% of carbon dioxide. And when we exhale, we exhale 16.4% of oxygen and 4.4% of carbon dioxide.
Very good.
Okay, Aseela, very good. My first question is, what is the difference between breathing and respiration?
Breathing and respiration. Sir, breathing is a part of respiration. In breathing, we do one inhalation, and one exhalation. In one inhalation means we inhale air which is rich in oxygen, and one exhalation means we exhale air which is rich in carbon dioxide.
Okay, good.
So breathing is a part of respiration, because for respiration we need air, we need oxygen, and then respiration occurs in the cell, and there energy is produced.
Very good.
What are the two types of respiration and define them?
There are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, it occurs in the presence of oxygen, means the breakdown of food occurs in the presence of oxygen, and the products are formed water, carbon dioxide, and energy. Anaerobic respiration means fully opposite of aerobic respiration. It means that the breakdown of food occurs in the absence of oxygen, and the products that are produced. If we talk about like when we do heavy exercises, the energy is required more, but but the supply of oxygen to produce that much energy is very less or limited. So our muscles cells produce anaerobically, and there we produce lactic acid plus energy. Energy, there is a small amount of energy because in aerobic respiration we use oxygen and it produces large amount of energy. So we get cramps after exercise, and that is due to the lactic acid.
Okay. Okay, Aseela, you have prepared your model on human respiratory system. Okay. Do you know anything about respiratory pigment?
So I apologize. I don't know.
As you all know that at last from alveoli, blood diffuses into blood capillaries, and it binds with a pigment which carry that oxygen to various parts of your body.
So it's called hemoglobin.
Okay, very good. That is the respiratory pigment. Respiratory pigment in humans is hemoglobin. Okay.
Okay, Aseela, tell us, how can we keep our lungs healthy?
Our lungs healthy. If we do smoking, we should stop it because it can cause lung cancer also. We should avoid secondhand smoke. Secondhand smoke means the smoke that is expelled out from the body of smoker. So we should not sit with them to smoke. So and we should stay active. We should engage in daily exercises. We should also do daily checkups.
Okay.